Hello everyone, today we are discussing about the most important ICT question for UGC Net Paper 1 June 2025. So let's start. Question number 352. Which tool will be used to prepare the scheduled and class timetable? Option number A was the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. Microsoft Outlook, Trello and Google Calendar. So option number A was the correct answer. ठीक है, next. यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट आउटलुक, गूगल कैलेंडर, ड्रॉपबॉक्स, EBC roster, Sling, Trello. Some of the tools are there used for prepare the schedule and class timing table. ठीक है, next important question, question number 355. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ठीक है, ARTICLE एंड सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, आर्टिकल एंड सब्जेक्ट. आर्टिकल 29 इक्वालिटी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड आर्टिकल 29 1A right to information and article 239 education in union territory comes under the responsibility of central government and article 21A free and compulsory education for all children for age 6 to 14. ठीक है, next question number 356. Various steps in categorize the ICT application like the Google form. फर्स्ट में आएगा selecting the question types and create. उसके बाद आएगा make the question mandatory and keep optional. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में देख सकते हो. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 वाज करेक्ट आंसर. ए selecting the question types and create makes the question mandatory and keep optional. and उसके बाद आएगा give name to the survey from the and save and configure the setting and लास्ट में आएगा share and response. ठीक है, share with the response. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 357. लेकिन मैच फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, लिस्ट 1 and 2. ऑप्शन नंबर डी वाज करेक्ट मैचिंग. प्रोप्राइटरी सॉफ्टवेयर LMS, बैकबोर्ड एंड ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर LMS, Moodle B1 and cloud based LMS Google Classroom C2 and data collection and quiz Google Form. So option number D was the correct matching. Next, यहाँ पर और भी डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं. प्रोप्राइटरी लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक्स ब्लैकबोर्ड लर्न, DDL, e-college, Edmodo, Ingrid, Global Scholar, etc. for the best example of proprietary learning management system or LMS. ठीक है, and some open source LMS का एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, public for the public collaboration. It was developed in the public collaboration and freely available. For example, eTutor, Templio, Canvas, eFont, LAMS, Moodle, OpenEdX. Best example of the open source learning management system or LMS. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 358. मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. ठीक है, मेजरमेंट एप्लीकेशन, रिवर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल एप्लीकेशन, ऑटोमेटिक ओवन एंड मॉडलिंग एप्लीकेशन, स्टिमुलेशन कार्ड, क्रैश एंड एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम, मेडिकल डायग्नोसिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 360. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ठीक है, गूगल क्लासरूम, एक्सेस टू द कोर्स कंटेंट एंड गूगल मीट, synchronous interaction and Google quiz, assessment of learning and Google Jamboard collaborative task. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 362. आर्टिकल 48A the Indian Constitution directed the state ensure the protection and improvement of option number B, environment was the correct answer. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 363. मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ठीक है, यहाँ देख सकते हैं रीडिंग और language arts, software program, develop the basic reading skill, ठीक है, and mathematics, graphics calculation to illustrate the abstract and hard to visualize the relationship, and science stimulation to illiterate complex relationship, ठीक है, and social studies stimulation to explore the place and time, ठीक है. Next important question 366, which are the following entities of the Indian Constitution deals with the coordination of the determination of the standard institutions for higher education, research and scientific technical institutions. Option number D, entry 66 was the correct answer, ठीक है. Next important question number 370, which of the following ICT initiative of MHRD deals with the e-governance and institutions universities. Option number A, Samartha was the correct answer. यहाँ डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं. Next question number 373, one aspect of governance deals with the flow of the information between the governments and the citizen. Which are the following government to citizen initiatives? Option number A and B was the correct answer. E-health and e-health, ठीक है. E-trading was incorrect and e-feedback was incorrect. So option number A was the correct answer. A and B, e-help and e-health. Next question number 374, IT Act 2000, which section deals with the punishment of cyber terrorism? Option number C, 66X 66F was the correct answer, ठीक है. Next question number 376, National Agency for Responding the Computer Security indicates as when occurs is. Option number D, ICERT was the correct answer, ठीक है. ICERT का जो फुल फॉर्म है इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च टेक्नोलॉजी, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 379, which of the following collaboration tool for providing the virtual classroom environment? Option number B, A view was the correct answer, ठीक है. इसका जो फुल फॉर्म है, A view का जो फुल फॉर्म है अमृता विजुअल इंटरैक्टिव ई लर्निंग वर्ल्ड, ठीक है. अमृता वर्चुअल इंटरैक्टिव ई लर्निंग वर्ल्ड वाज द करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 380, मैंने सब फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है, करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ठीक है. और डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं लिस्ट 1 and 2. उमंग इज अ सिंगल पॉइंट एक्सेस ऑल गवर्नमेंट सर्विस एंड भीम वाज a unified payment system. EBIGED was a G2B service, ठीक है. स्वयं was a learning platform. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 385, मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. VoIP यूज इंटरनेट टू मेक द फोन कॉल एंड फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल make use the light plus to transmit data, and URL is a text used by the web browser to locate a web address on internet, and UTP cable is a most appropriate to connect the computer in a small building. Next question number 386, the constitutions of India provide the right to establish the educational institutions of their choice by all minorities as per the article 31, ठीक है. 30 and bracket पर 1. So option number A was the correct answer. Next important question number 392, Bluetooth is a example of option number A, PAN was the correct answer, personal area network, ठीक है. WPN का जो फुल फॉर्म है वायरलेस पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट which of the following was not a network topology? Option number B was the correct answer, chain. चेन वॉज नॉट ए नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी, ठीक है। रिंग, बस एंड स्टार आर द टोपोलॉजी, नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी, ठीक है। यहाँ डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बस टोपोलॉजी, रिंग टोपोलॉजी, स्टार टोपोलॉजी, ट्री टोपोलॉजी एंड हाइब्रिड टोपोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 409, which of the following statement are correct with respect of the नीति आयोग, ठीक है। 3 and 4 was the correct answer. Option number C, it is neither a constitutional body nor the statutory body, and it is a think tank. And it is a constitutional body, it was incorrect, and it was a statutory body, it is also incorrect. So option number C was the correct answer. 3 and 4 was correct. Next important question, question number 416, as a chairman the independent chairmanship on education, Jacques Delors report UNESCO title was learning the treasure within, ठीक है। learning the treasure within was the correct answer of number B, ठीक है। next question number 417, which of the following instant messenger that is used for the chatting? Option number C, Google Talk was the correct answer. Next important point 422, GIF, JPG, BMP, PNG were used extension for the file extension which store image data. Option number B was the correct answer, ठीक है। next important question, क्वेश्चन नंबर 437 का जो करेक्ट आंसर करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ठीक है। पॉवर्टी रिडक्शन प्रोग्राम MNREGA, ठीक है, एंड ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट स्कीम, मिड डे मील एंड सोशल असिस्टेंस स्कीम, नेशनल ओल्ड एज पेंशन एंड मिनिमम नीड स्कीम, इंदिरा आवास योजना, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 438, which who among the following created the office of the district collector in India? Option number B, Warren Hastings was the correct answer, ठीक है। in the Charter Act 1773, ठीक है। next important question, question number 441, which of the following right was considered the heart and soul of Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option number D, right to constitutional remedies was the correct answer. Next question number 442, in India for broadcasting TV program, which system is follows? In India for the broadcasting TV program, which system was followed? Option number A, PAL was the correct answer, ठीक है। His alternative line was the correct answer, ठीक है। next important question, question number 451, from which 5-year plan large decline in the proportion of the allocation in the witness in the communication sector? Option number C, 11 5-year plan was the correct answer. next important question, question number 459, which of the following having the primary objective of the disseminate the countrywide higher educational program through TV along with the ICT? Option number B was the correct answer, CEC, ठीक है। consortium for educational communication was the correct answer, option number B. next important question, question number 463, the best economic method of data processing is? Option number A, batch processing was the correct answer. next Question number 467. Which of the following is not a Google application? G Talk was the correct answer. ठीक है. Blogger, Classroom and Jamboard are the Google application, but G Talk was not. G Talk was launched 2005, but in 2017 it was completely stopped. Next, question number 468. The Department of Science and Technology (DST), Government of India, is collaborating with the real-time river water and air quality monitor. Option number B, Intel was the correct answer. Next, question number 469. In audio and video compression, each frame is divided into small grids. It is called the picture, illustrates, or pixel. Option number C was the correct answer. Next, question number 470. Which institution was set up by the government of India to crystallize the e-governance activities? Option number B, NIC was the correct answer. National Information Center. ठीक है. Next, important question number 485. The National Information Center launch in instant messaging platform or app online on the line of WhatsApp February 2021. Identify the app. Sandesh was the correct answer. Option number A. Next, question number 488. Which of the following not a product of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Option number B, Nadi was the correct answer. ठीक है. Next, question number 490. Ideological code shaped our collective was the option number A. Perception was the correct answer. Next, question number 491. This will provide end-to-end digital connection for all voice digitalized data, decimal, telemetry and video applications. Option number B, ISDN was the correct answer. Integrated Service Digital Network was the correct answer. ठीक है. And PSTN का फुल फॉर्म है पब्लिक स्विच टेलीफोन नेटवर्क एंड SNA इसका फुल फॉर्म है सिस्टम नेटवर्क आर्किटेक्चर. नेक्स्ट important question number 493. Name of the women empowerment program initiated by central government in 1989. Option number B, Mohila Shamakha or Shankha was the correct answer. Mohila Shamakha was the correct answer. Option number B. Next, question number 494. The capacity of telecommunication channel stated in megabytes and gigabytes as per second was called. Option number D, bandwidth was the correct answer. Next important question number 496. MIPS stands for option number A, million instruction per second was the correct answer. Option number A. Next, question number 497. A set of standard to handle the voice and the computer data in telephone network, providing the additional telephone capabilities without the scrapping the existing copper telephone line is called. Option number D, Integrated Service Digital Network. Next, question number 502. Why would a switch to be used in a network preferred to a hub? Option number A, reduce the network traffic was the correct answer. Why would a switch be used in a network in preferred to a hub? Option number A, to reduce the network traffic was the correct answer. Next, question number 503. Twitter, a microblogging is used within the boundary of option number A, 140 character was the correct answer. Next, Question number 504. Which of the following not a version of the Android mobile operating system? Option number B, Dairy Milk was the correct answer. Dairy Milk was the correct answer. Cupcake, X-Layer and Donut was the, these are the version of the Android operating system, but Dairy Milk was not. So option number B was the correct answer. Next, some of the names of the Android: Cupcake, Android 1.5, and Donut, Android 1.6, and X-Layer, Android 2.0 or 2.1, and PIE, Android 9, and will start Android 10, and Red Velvet Cake, Android 11, and Snow Cone, Android 12. Next, question number 506. Identify the correct article. Its provision regarding the University Act 1994. Option number C, 1, 2, 3 was the correct answer. Article 81. Condition for the affiliation and the recognition. Article 82. Procedure to permission to the grant, and Article 83. Affiliation to procedure. So 1, 2 and 3 was the correct answer, and Article 84 was incorrect. Yeah, but the procedure, the grant affiliation college, this is incorrect statement. So option number C was the correct answer. Next, question number 507. Identify the correct pairs of the following. Option number C, Wikipedia, Jimmy Walsh was the correct answer. ठीक है, ये बार करेक्ट मैचिंग देख सकते हैं. Google, Larry Page and Brain, and Hotmail, Sabir Bhatia and Jack Smith, and Wikipedia, Jimmy Walsh, and YouTube, Stephen Hurley and Javed Karim. Next, question number 508. Identify the incorrect pair of the following. ठीक है, option number B, TTF, the word file format was incorrect. ठीक है, JPEG graphics file, WAV audio file, and XS executable file. This is correct, but B was incorrect. So यहाँ पर details में देख सकते हैं. Word text document format text, and JPEG joint photographic, JPG joint photography expert group, JPEG का जो full form है. ठीक है, and wave from audio file format, WAV, and executable file .exe, and tagged image file format TTF. ठीक है. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 512 में ऐसा फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, डेटा, बेसिक फैक्ट एंड एंटिटीज, इंफॉर्मेशन, मीनिंगफुल मैटर, यूजेबल इन डिसीजन मेकिंग, एंड नॉलेज basis to the make the prediction of outcome of action, and documents, processed information usable as formal official record. ठीक है, option number B was correct matching. Next, question number 514. Microphone is a hi-fi instrument. Hi-fi means option number A, high fidelity was the correct answer. Next, question number 515. Which of the following year education was placed under the concurrent list? Option number C, 1976 was the correct answer. Next, question number 516. The device used to connect the computer to a telephone line was called modem. Option number C was the correct answer. Next important question number 521. Information Technology Act 2000 came to existence in which date? 17th October 2000 was the correct answer. Next, Right to Education RTE Act 2009 was enforced and fundamental right under the article. Option number B, Article 21A was the correct answer. Next, important question number 445. Union Ministry of Indian System Medicine and Homeopathy renamed the Ministry of Ayush 2003. What does the Ayush stands for? Option number A Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Siddha and Homeopathy. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, नेचुरोपैथी, यूनानी, सिद्धा, सुगरिप्पा एंड होम्योपैथी. ठीक है, आज का एब्रिविएशन है. नेक्स्ट important question, question number 554. Which of the following not a cloud storage device? Option number A hard disk was the correct answer. ठीक है, this is not the cloud storage. ठीक है, some cloud storage का एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, X drive, media max, storage space, Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud. These are example of the cloud storage. ठीक है, next important question, question number 573. Institution set up by the government of India provide the computer based information service to government department. Option number C NIC was the correct answer, National Information Center. Next important question, question number 578. The main focus of the development of the 11th year 5-year plan was in India was. Option number B strengthening the education sector was the correct answer. Next question number 583. Right to education has been granted as the fundamental right. Which are the following amendment of Indian constitutions? Option number D 86 constitutional amendment was the correct answer. Next question number 584. The most indispensable part of smartphone is. Option number C operating system was the correct answer, operating. Next important question, question number 595. Which act of Indian Parliament ensured that every child of age 6 to 12 shall have right to free and compulsory education? Option number B RTE Act 2009 was the correct answer. Next important question, क्वेश्चन नंबर 622 मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एग्जांपल. ऑप्शन नंबर बी वाज करेक्ट मैचिंग. ठीक है, वर्ड प्रोसेसर, ओपन ऑफिस. ठीक है, एंड डेटाबेस वर्कल. ठीक है, Oracle and operating system Mac and utilization or utilities antivirus. Next question number 627. Which of the following statement was regarding the repeater was correct? ठीक है, option number C B and D was correct answer. ठीक है, repeater is added to transmission system of boost signal. ठीक है, and it also used to wireless system. So option number C was the correct answer, B and D. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं. रिपीटर इज ए device that used to extend the transmission. It received the digital signal on the electromagnetic or optical transmission medium and regenerate the signal along with the next lag medium of that signal that covers the longer distance and receive on the other side of the obstruction. The following are the statement regarding the repeater. It is add to the transmission system and boost the signal, and it also used to wireless system. So option number C was the correct answer. Next question number 628. मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है, डिवाइस एंड एग्जांपल, ठीक है। ऑप्शन नंबर बी वाज द करेक्ट मैचिंग। इनपुट डिवाइस जॉयस्टिक्स एंड डायरेक्ट डेटा एंट्री, radio frequency identification reader, and output device speaker, and data backup DVD. So option number B was the correct matching. Next question number 629, a network interface card contains option number C, MAC address was the correct answer. Next 6 to 630, the number of the bits IP version 6 addressing are option number A, 128 bits was the correct answer. Next question number 631, what type of the non-volatile memory would most likely store the firmware like to computer BIOS? Option number A, double EEPROM was the correct answer, ठीक है। Electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Next question number 632, इसका जो करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ठीक है। मेमोरी डिवाइस एंड मेमोरी टाइप्स, पेन ड्राइव, फ्लैश मेमोरी, हार्ड डिस्क, मैग्नेटिक memory, CD-ROM, optical memory, and RAM, volatile memory. Next question number 634, identify the correct sequence of the following storage device in decreasing order. फर्स्ट में आएगा ए डीवीडी, उसके बाद आएगा बी CD-ROM, उसके बाद आएगा फ्लॉपी डिस्क, एंड लास्ट में आएगा मैग्नेटिक टेप। यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। डीवीडी, उसके बाद आएगा CD-ROM, फ्लॉपी डिस्क एंड मैग्नेटिक टेप। इसका जो फाउंडेशन ईयर देख सकते हैं, लॉन्च ईयर डीवीडी 1995 एंड CD-ROM 1984 एंड फ्लॉपी डिस्क 1971-72 एंड मैग्नेटिक टेप 1928, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 636, यहाँ पर करेक्ट मैचिंग देख सकते हैं ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मेमोरी डिवाइस एंड मेमोरी टाइप्स, ठीक है। मेन मेमोरी, डायनेमिक रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, ठीक है, एंड कैचे मेमोरी, स्टैटिक रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, एंड हार्ड डिस्क, मैग्नेटिक मेमोरी, एंड CD-ROM, ऑप्टिकल मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 642, what is the name of the software application that facilitate the building early access bookmarks? The word house to become the searchable member of the public. Option number D, social bookmarking was the correct answer. Next question number 643, मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है, करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इनपुट डिवाइस स्कैनर, आउटपुट डिवाइस स्पीकर, पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस ट्रेस बॉल, ट्रैकर बॉल, एंड सेंसर डिवाइस ट्रैफिक लाइट स्टिमुलेटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 646, मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, कैचे मेमोरी हाई स्पीड इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट, मेन मेमोरी इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट, एंड हार्ड डिस्क मैग्नेटिक सरफेस, एंड CD-ROM लेजर डिस्क। नेक्स्ट important question number 648, in a classful IP version 4 addressing what are the number of the net ID bits and number of the host ID bits for the network class A? Option number C, 8 and 24 was the correct answer, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 649, what is the parity checking? Option number B was the correct answer, a method to check to whether the data has been changed or corrupted. Next question number 650, which of the following not true about the QR or quick response code? Option number C, QR code cannot be hold the data was, this is incorrect, there is no QR कोड के बारे में डिटेल्स में देख सकते हैं आप लोग, ठीक है। ये आया था 1994 पर, ठीक है। द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर द यूजर्स write down or key in the website addresses, and QR address can store the website address, and QR codes can scan the anytime. Next important question number 655. With the respect to the computer, TFT related to a phone number. B monitor was the correct answer. Next, TFT का जो full form है thin film transistor was the correct answer. Transistor. Next, question number 656. Which of the following special types of the computer virus that files computer system or self-replicate information, clogging the system so the operations are slow and stopped? Option number C, worm was the correct answer. Worm. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 660. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ठीक है, माउस, इनपुट डिवाइस, मोडेम, नेटवर्क डिवाइस, पेन ड्राइव, एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी, ओपेरा, वेब ब्राउजर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 662. करेक्ट ऑर्डर पर साजाना होगा. एनटीएल प्रोसेसर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर पर. ठीक है, फर्स्ट में आएगा ड्यूअल कोर, उसके बाद आएगा पेंटियम 3, एंड उसके बाद आएगा 80486, लास्ट में आएगा 8085. दिस इज द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटेल प्रोसेसर सीरीज. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 664. which of the following are the softwares? वेब ब्राउजर, compiler and device driver was the correct answer. ठीक है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 665. इसका जो करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. एप्पल इंस होगा स्टीव जॉब्स. एप्पल হচ্ছে স্টিভ জবস, एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बिल गेट्स, इन्फोसिस नारायण मूर्ति, एंड एयरटेल सुनील भारती मित्तल. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 669. करेक्ट मैचिंग होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ठीक है, मैग्नेटिक टेप यूज फॉर द डेटा archival purpose but must be accessed sequentially, and memory card used in the digital camera, photo printer and cell phones, and hard disk is a set of the metal disk mounted on a spindle, and DVD use the laser beam technology to read or write data. Next, question number 672. Disk defect. What is a disk defragmenter? Option number D, rearranging the block of the data and store file in contiguous sector was the correct answer. Next, so done. इस तरह की वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. আর কি করি